Hello, my name is Siri. Today I want to show you how to use GitHub pages for your domains. Let's say you're a student, you don't have money to buy a domain, or you just want something to display your projects, maybe to link them on your resume or something. You can use GitHub pages to do that. I have a simple HTML file with just hello world in it. So to do this is very simple. All you need to do is go to settings. Also you have to create the project. You have to write the files. You also have to push it to GitHub. If you want to know how to do that, let me know. After settings, when you click on settings, you scroll down. GitHub pages is currently disabled, so to enable it, just select a source, which is the master. Only have one branch. Now scroll down again. After selecting it, it will say your site is ready to be published at this domain. Voila, you have hello world. You can choose a template. You can use it. Yeah, okay, yep, it's still working. Thank you and bye bye.